Hey there everyone, welcome to another video of Fox Android. So in this video we're gonna learn how to design a animated splash screen, right? So how to implement the animation within the splash screen as you have seen in most of the apps. So let me first show you what we're gonna get by the end of this video. So if you can see on my mobile screen, I have this app splash screen animation. If I open this, so here you can see there's this plant animation. So after this animation is over, all the elements are translated in the y direction. Then we go to the main activity. So this is what we'll be achieving by the end of this video, right? So without much ado, let's get started. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving the notification of the upcoming videos. And by the end of the video, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So to implement this animation, we'll be using Lottie animation, right? So for that we need a library. So I have this implementation code. So I'll simply copy this and we'll go to build.gradle app level build.gradle, right? I'll just paste this and click on sync now. Okay guys, sync is completed. Then we need certain resources. So the very first thing is there are two images. I'll just simply copy this. I'll also provide the link for these resources in the description below. If you want to exactly copy this, then you can simply go to that link and download the required sources. I'll now paste these images into the drawable folder, right? Now after that we need a JSON file that will download from this website, right? lottiefiles.com, right? So here you can go to this URL in your web browser. Then in this search thing, whatever your app is related to, you can just simply type in here. For example, mine is related to money, so I'll just simply put in the search bar and click enter. So here it will give various results, right? And most of them are free, and there are some paid animations as well. It depends on you if you want to go with the free one or the paid one. Here we'll go with the free one. For example, these are the free ones. Here you can see $3, and so on. So I already have selected one that is on the second page. So this one we are going to use this. So you simply click on this. You'll get this window. Then you need to download the JSON, right? So if you click on this, then you need to download this Lottie JSON, right? I've already downloaded this, so I'll not download it. So this is how you can download any animation of your choice, right? So then what we need to do, just right click on this resource file and add on this Android resource directory, right? So here you can select raw and click OK. So here you will get this raw directory. Then the JSON that we have downloaded from that Lottie files, will simply paste it here, right? So that are all the resources we need. Then we'll go to our splash screen. So here I'll quickly design this splash screen, then I'll let you know guys what we have done, right? So okay guys, that is it for the front end part, the XML code. So here we have two images. The very first one is this background image, this pinkish image, right? The second image, this app name. Basically I've just taken a random app name that is Anometer because it is related to bunny. I've just given it a theme of that. Then the important thing and the new thing that we need to learn is this Lottie animation view, right? So we got it from the library that we have implemented. We gave it a ID, the width is wrap content, the height is 300 dp, right? Then we have constrained it on all the sides to the parent. Then this autoplay is true. The autoplay means whenever this screen is open, this animation will automatically be played on the screen, right? We need not to do any backend coding for that. So we have set it to true. Then we have set the source. So now what we'll do is we'll just go to our themes. We do not want any action bar, so we'll set it to no action bar, right? Then we'll go to our Android manifest XML and we'll set the splash activity as the starting activity. Done. Then we'll go to our splash Java file, right? So here we'll write the backend code. So now we'll just declare certain variables. Image view, the very first is app name, splash image, right? And then we have Lottie animation view. We'll simply name it as Lottie animation view only. Then we'll refer to all the elements by using find view by id method, right? Dot so we have referred to all the views in here. And one more thing, we do not want the status bar as well because we want the splash screen on the full window, right? To take the full window, so we'll set the window flags. We'll pass window manager. Where is window manager? Dot layout params dot full screen flag, right? Done. So now what we'll do is we'll just set the animation, the translation for various elements on the screen. So for that, the first element is splash image. We'll use dot animate. So we'll translate all the elements in y direction, as you have seen when I've shown the demo at the starting. So we'll start the splash image from minus 2500, right? And the duration that it will take to animate will be 1 second, and the start delay will be 5 seconds. The second element is app name dot animate. So okay guys, we have set the translation for all the three elements present in the XML file, right? So there is no hard and fast rule. So till where you want to translate it, you can just play around with these variables, right? And see whatever suits your application, you can set it according to that, right? So this is the best which I think my design works with. So I've set it to these elements, these variables, so you can just play around. So then what we want is we want after this animation ends, we'll want to go to the main activity. So for that, what we'll do is we'll start activity, new intent. We'll just pass the new intent, splash dot this, and main activity dot class. So here we'll set it to 6 seconds, the delay, right? So why we have set it to 6 seconds? Because here you can see the start delay is 5 seconds. That means the animation, the translation will start after 5 seconds and it will take 1 second. So total is of 6 seconds. So after 6 seconds we want that our we call the main activity. We go to the main activity, right? So that is why we have set it to 6000. So I guess we are pretty much done with our backend code as well, and we have set all the things right. So now I'll just quickly install this app to my cell phone and see if it is working fine or not, right? So okay guys, the app has been installed to my cell phone. So if you can see on my mobile screen, if I just open this app, so here is this animation. All the elements will translate and we go to the main activity, right? So I guess we have successfully implemented this splash screen animation using Lottie animation, right? So I guess you guys have understood the code. In case you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. The Instagram username will be there on your screen right now. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving notification of the upcoming videos. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, right? So that was it for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.